It's Jamal here, and thanks for joining me for another Mindful Minutes. Welcome to Ja Advisory. Master yourself, master the universe. Before we get started, I do want to talk about singing bowls. They're one of my favorite instruments, and they're actually what got me into mindfulness in the first place, or at least as a professional. I feel like I've been mindful my whole life. That's why I'm naturally drawn to things like yoga and meditation. And then there's these. Singing bowls are so amazing. I can talk all day. I actually, for many years, I sold bowls and still do. And I've also taught therapists how to use these in therapy and treatments, nurses, doctors, all kinds of people how to use sound in their practice because sound is so powerful. So, like I said, I couldn't talk for weeks on end because sound goes to the quantum physics level. It goes beyond the level of particles. We're talking about waves. So when you think about it that way, you're really talking about the nature of our reality, the nature of our physical existence, our physical being. So sound can really manipulate matter and change anything that's physical or energetic, but it can change anything. It has the ability to affect anything. Um, so you name it, sound can make a difference. And that's why I love singing bowls, because these bowls that we sell, listen, the sounds naturally help the brain to slow down. They're very calming, helps us to get into a mindful state of mind or the alpha state of mind. And the other part of that is this might be harder for you to discern. You can hear the sound, but it's harder to feel a vibration where you are. But I can feel the vibrations moving through my arm, up through my shoulder, and even when I have the bowl close to my body, I can feel the vibrations on my chest, I can feel it on my other hand, and that's the therapeutic value of vibrations. It's going through everything. Vibration travels through everything. Like, you can hear sound through walls. Well, our body feels the sound moving through all of our cells. And even if we don't consciously feel it, we we get those vibrations, we get those movements on a cellular level. So it is introducing a level of organization and harmony to the body. What that does ultimately, just to keep it short, is helps restore homeostasis. It helps the body maintain the conditions that the body likes best. And the body's self-healing. We have an immune system. If you get sick or if you get an injury, the body usually heals. So our job is to remove the obstacles to those healing processes. That's why we do things like practice mindfulness or detox. These things help to remove the obstacles of the natural healing and regulating processes. So let's get started. Sit up straight, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. One last breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. We breathe normally through the nose if we can. And just watch the breath happen. Notice the air moving as we breathe. We just watch it happen. Notice the air moving as we breathe. Notice the air fill the lungs. And notice the air moving out. And we just watch it happen. The breath can happen by itself. That's the great thing about the breath. We don't have to think about it. It's just always going, always present. Let our breath slow down. And as our breath slows down, so does the mind. Let's take a second to bring our attention away from the breath. We listen to the sounds around us. Even going around the room, we scan, listening to each sound one by one, just systematically becoming aware. We allow the sounds to come and go, just like the breath. There's no need to hold on to any one sensation. We allow the sounds to come and go, just as we allow the breath to come and go. Bring our attention back to the breath. And here we can set an intention. Anything you want to make a part of your subconscious action, your subconscious mind, anything you want to trust yourself with, anything that you want to trust that your actions will bring you towards that goal. Without even thinking about it, you can just have that inner trust in yourself. That's what it means to set an intention. And if there's nothing specific, I always invite you to have an intention of staying present and expressing gratitude. Two things that can transform any experience. Staying present and expressing gratitude. Thanks for tuning in to today's Mindful Minutes. And remember to like, subscribe, share with a friend, and I'll see you next time. Be well, everyone.